If you have two Duolingo accounts and you're wondering if you can merge them into one, this tutorial will explain what is and isn't possible. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand how Duolingo works. At the moment, Duolingo does not provide an official feature that allows users to merge two different accounts. That means you can't combine your XP, streaks, completed lessons, achievements, leagues, or learning progress from one account into another. Each account remains completely separate. Step 2. Decide which account you want to keep. If you accidentally created multiple accounts, take a moment to compare them. Choose the account with the most progress, the longest streak, or the one connected to your active email address or subscription. This is the account you'll continue using. Step 3. Check your subscription. If one account has an active Super Duolingo or Duolingo Max subscription while your learning progress is on another account, don't purchase a second subscription. Instead, contact Duolingo support. Although they generally cannot merge accounts, they may be able to help if your subscription is linked to the wrong account. Step 4. Update your login information. Once you've chosen the account you want to keep, make sure it's connected to your preferred login method. You can link your Google account, Apple ID, Facebook account, or update your email address depending on your device. This helps prevent accidentally creating another account in the future. Step 5. Contact Duolingo support if necessary. If you created duplicate accounts by mistake or are having login problems, visit the Duolingo Help Center. The support team may be able to help recover the correct account or move a subscription in certain situations, even though they cannot merge learning progress. Step 6. Delete the extra account. After confirming that everything important is on your main account, you can delete the account you no longer need. Remember that deleting an account permanently removes its progress, lessons, streak, and achievements. So only do this after you're completely sure you're keeping the correct account. So, can you merge Duolingo accounts? The short answer is no. Duolingo currently doesn't support merging two accounts into one. The best solution is to choose the account with the progress you want to keep, update your login information, and contact support if you need help with subscriptions or account recovery. And that's it. Now you know how Duolingo account merging works in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Duolingo tutorials.